Hi everyone, this is Manisha. I appeared for the UGC Net Paper 1 today on October 1st. I was appearing for English, and after coming back home, I realized that there were many people who were just uploading videos and giving wrong information on the questions which have come in the paper. So I'm just I'm just recollecting the questions which were there in the exam, and I'm just sharing them with you for the sake of all the other students so that they don't get any wrong information. I'm not a YouTuber who makes videos on UGC Net Paper, but still I thought that it is good to share the information which I have instead of misguiding. So there were a couple of questions from the maths category, which you call data interpretation. So the first one was there was a table of marks given, and we had five questions on taking out the average, comparing, and then percentages. Then there was one age based question, one ratio question. There was one question on number series. The number series was very easy. Age based question was very easy. Ratio was a little tough. And there was one question on directions, very easy. One question on sitting arrangement, very, very easy. There were few questions from the computer section like where is RAM located? And there were some questions. Then there was one question on the full form of URL. There was one question on whether which one of the following is a web browser, is not a web browser, and I chose Facebook in that. Then there were few statements which were given, and we had to choose the correct statements. This was in the computer section. Now in the research part, there was one question on sampling. We had to choose a, there were many sampling options given, types of samplings, and we had to choose a particular type of sampling. Then there was one question on the format of research, and there were few questions on the deductive style of researching. There was one question on qualitative and quantitative research also. Now there were two questions from logic, but I did not, cannot recollect the terms which were there. One had a siddha in that. Now the next questions were, there were many questions on learner-centric learning, learner-centric teaching, I'm sorry. So there was one question on reflective teaching. Now there was one question on this body called NEAT, the full form was asked. Now reading comprehension was a little bit tough, and it had like 8 questions. Then there were two questions from the environmental pollutants category. One about which pollutant is found in sewage pipes, and one on there were many options given on industry, transportation, and many other things, and we had to arrange them in ascending order as per the amount of on the basis of the amount of CO2 which they emit. And there were many questions on statements, and we had to select the correct and the incorrect ones. So yeah, that was it. These many questions, these are like 33 questions which I could recollect, and I'm just sharing with you, so that you don't have any wrong information. I'm not sure about the answers, and hence I'm not sharing the answers with you. Thank you, and have a good day, and all the very best if you're appearing for the next UGC.